Hello students, myself Jayesh Prajapati, Assistant Professor of LG Institute of Engineering and Technology in the Department of Electronics and Communication. In this video, we are going to learn about instrumentation in agriculture and food processing. Actually, we know that instrumentation engineering is a field that deal with control system to various sensors, and all these are needed in food industries. So we know that the instrument that constantly measures various parameters like flow, pressures and temperatures, that can be that instrument that we have to use in these agricultures and food processings. Now the modern agriculture's biologicals and biomedical instrument use electronic sensors, analog and digital circuits, computers, microcontroller for the automation systems. Okay, and also that can be used for scientific measurement, process and controls. Okay, so that's why we have to provide instrumentation in agricultures and in food processing. Okay, now in this video we have to discuss the content that are introductions. In first we have to study the basics of introductions, then we have to study crop management. In the crop management we have to study the 5 steps of crop management, that are first, that is a soil preparation. In soil preparation there is also 3 levels, that is plugging, leveling and applying fertilizers. Then second step for crop management, that is selection and sowing of seeds. Then after the proper selection of seed we have to provide the irrigation system, that means watering to the crop. Then after successful development of crop we have to provide the weedings and crop protection. And the last step, that is harvesting and storage. Okay, that is content that we have to study in these videos. Okay, now let us study each topic one by one. First of all, we have to study the introductions. So in introduction we have to understand the definition of agriculture. So agriculture is a branch of science which deal with the production of plant and raising of animals useful to the mans. So actually in agriculture we have to produce more and more plant and raising animals to use. Then growing plant and receiving animals for food, clothing and other useful products, that is agricultures. Then involves soil cultivation, breedings and management of crops and livestock, that are the main for the agricultures. Then food, that is a basic need, so it is a basic requirement to life to survive. Okay, that is a food that is taken by the agricultures. It is made up of various kind of energies, a rich substance like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals, which are known as nutrient. Okay, that is a main for the life to survive, that is a main substance. Then the source of food, how we can get this food, that is by cereals, then pulses, oil seed crops and fruits and vegetables, that are the main source of the foods. How we can get this nutrient, proteins, fat, that is a main source of foods, cereals, pulses, oil seed crops, fruits and vegetables. Now let us see this source of food with some pictures. So first of all we have takes cereals, we have to take wheat. The when we making a crop for the wheats, it's look like this, it's picture for the wheats, crop of the wheats. And when actual the seeds coming from this crop, that is actual wheat. Then a rice, the crop of the rice is look like this, and whenever the actual seeds come, that is look like this. that is a cereals, wheat, rice. Okay, that is a two example for the cereals. Now pulses. In pulses we have to take pigeons piece, so we have to take this pigeons p, that is a crop, that means that is a tree for the pigeons. Then actual the seeds like this, then that is pinks. Okay, that is a actual crop and it's look like this. Okay, that are the pulses of two example of pulses. Now the next, that is oil seed crop. So we have to take oil seed, that is soya beans. From this we have to take oil. So that is a crop for the soya beans and it's look like this. Then groundnut, the figure for the groundnut crop is like this, and we have to get this nuts by actual with that by this. Okay, that is actual pictures that you have to know of how we can get these foods. Okay, then root crops. In root crops we have to use turnip, that is picture for the turnips. Then sweet potatoes. Okay, the potatoes, that is a main food in the that is a king of the food. Okay, then carrot. Okay, the carrot, how to the crop of the carrots. Okay, it's look like this. Now we have to main our topics that that are the basics of agricultures, and the there are some foods and source of the foods. Now the main topic, that is crop management, how to manage our crops. There are five steps. First, soil preparation. First we have to prepare the soils. In soil we have to done plugging, then leveling, then applying fertilizers. That are the three main steps. Okay, that are the three main steps for the soil preparations: plugging, leveling, and applying the fertilizers. Okay, then selection and showing of seeds. Okay, now you have to select which kind of seed you have to you have to produce, manage, like wheat or rice. Okay, then after selection you have to sowing the seeds. Okay, then irrigation system. After successful of this selection and showing, you have to provide watering to the crops. Then fourth step, that is weeding. Okay, extra part of these crops, that means leaf, we have to remove, and then you have to protect this crop. Then you have to harvest and storage this crop. That are the main 5 steps for the crop management, and that is an important topic for the instrumentation and agriculture food processing. Now you can see the each and every step one by one. Now first, a crop. The basic definition of the crops is like this: a plant of same kind of grounds on large scale for food is are called as a crop. Okay, food etc. are called as a crop. If a plant of same kind of like in large scale, it's like a crop. Okay, that is the basic definition of the crop. Then first step, that is a soil preparation. Okay, in the soil preparation, a soil can be prepared involves plugging, leveling, and applying fertilizers. That is the main how to prepare the soil for the crop management. So you have to provide plugging, leveling, and applying fertilizers. Okay, that is a main of soil preparation. So in this figure you can see that is there are soils on this a large area that we have to crop to manage. So in these areas we have to provide plugging, leveling, and fertilizers. In every pictures we have tried to explain very well. Now in first step, plugging, the process of loosening loosening and turning the soil is called plugging or tilling. Okay, that means what, you have to lose the soil, that means of solid part of the soil you have to lose this soil. Okay, you have to make this some smooth soil, that is smooth soil is done by the plugging. So you have to provide some instrument, or you have to provide some machines that can plug very well. So in this you can see there are the different instrument that can be used. That is first, that is wooden plug. Okay, here you can see in wooden plug, that is a wooden type of in Hindi you can say hull. Okay, that is a wooden plug, and also that is a iron plug. If we have to connect this portion with the our tractor, so it can also provide this plugging. Okay, you can see in this figure there is by using animals we have provide this plugging, and here we have to provide loosening to this crop. Okay, now that are the instrument for plugging. Now the next that is a leveling. So even after plugging, big lumps of soil may remain in the field. These are crushed using wooden or iron plank or levelers. This process is called leveling. So in is this sentence explained very well, like if any kind of big lumps means soil's big part, then it can be crushed by this method, leveling. So we have to provide instrument or machines, wooden leveler. So that is a figure for wooden leveler. By using wooden layer, that is first, that is a handle you can see, then second, that is a bamboo pole, and third, that is a rope. By using rope you can adjust the position of this wooden plank. Okay, that is a wooden plank. By using this wooden leveler you can level the soils also. Okay, and the next, that is iron leveler. Okay, you can connect this iron leveler with this our machine, that is a tractor, and you can see in this figure the soil will be leveled very well. Okay, now applying fertilizer. Eventually the soil even turn infertile. To avoid this situation, farmers often add substance that is called fertilizer. Okay, so fertilizer is a extra that is given to the our crop to develop our crop very well. You can see in the figure, for the proper crop management we have to distribute our fertilizer to the crop in every parts. Okay, manually or automatically we can give this fertilizer by manually or automatically. Okay, now there are different kind of fertilizer that we have to provide. First, that is manure. You can see in the figure, that is manure fertilizer. In this Hindi you can also call it as a chaniu khatar. Okay, if we see the figure for picture for the actual, then it's look like this. In this figure you can see that is our manure for the crop fertilizer. Now manure spreader. Okay, there is a automatic device, automatic machine. Okay, that is a roller. Okay, that can provide the manure automatically to our crop. Okay, now a sprayer. A sprayer is like also a fertilizer. We have to provide this fertilizer by using instrument, that is a spray machine. Okay, you can see that in this picture, that is a crop for the cottons. Okay, and we have provide this fertilizer by some sprayers. Okay, sometimes fertilizers are used to not damage the crop for the bacteria and others. So that wise we can use this kind of fertilizers also. Then a fertilizer machines. Okay, a sprayer machines feature is like this. Okay, Now, okay, in this video that we have discussed only this some important topics of crop management. In our next video we have discussed the next point of crop management. Okay, thank you.